Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of tools with a review of what I believe is the best T20 Torx bit set on the market right now. If you're into DIY projects or just looking to upgrade your toolkit, you'll want to stick around for this one. Let's kick things off with what you get in the box. The OWL Tools T20 Torx bits come in a pack of 24, each measuring 2 inches in length. They're made from a tough CRMO steel alloy, which means they're built to handle both standard drills and impact drivers. These bits are not just sturdy, they're precision measured for a perfect fit. The hex shank design with magnetic tips ensures a secure grip and easy handling. Whether you're assembling furniture, working on automotive projects, or tackling home repairs, these bits promise durability and performance. First off, the industrial-grade material ensures longevity and reliability. The magnetic tips make handling screws a breeze, reducing the risk of dropping or losing them. Plus, the set includes a handy case for easy organization and storage. Imagine replacing your old Torx wrench with these bits for faster, more efficient work. From household fixes to professional construction projects, these bits cover a wide range of applications. To wrap things up, if you're in the market for high-quality T20 Torx bits that won't let you down, look no further than the OWL Tools 24-pack. They're built tough, they're versatile, and they come with a lifetime guarantee from a reputable USA-based company. Check out the link in the description below to get your hands on the OWL Tools T20 Torx bits and upgrade your toolkit today. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tool reviews and DIY tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Product Critique.